Bagh-e Babur, UNESCO World Heritage Center near Kabul, Afghanistan. The Garden of Babur, locally called Bagh-e Babur, Persian, /Ba with Makrani Babur, is a historic park in Kabul, Afghanistan, and also the last resting place of the first Mughal Emperor Babur. Ashes of Babur was moved to Kabul by Akbar, written in Baburnama. The garden are thought to have been developed around 1528 AD, 935 AH, when Babur gave orders for the construction of an avenue garden in Kabul, described in some detail in his memoirs, the Baburnama. It was the tradition of Mughal princes to develop sites for recreation and pleasure during their lifetime, and choose one of these as a last resting place. The site continued to be of significance to Babur's successors, Jehangir and his stepmother, Empress Ruqaiya Sultan Begum, Babur's granddaughter, made a pilgrimage to the site in 1607 AD, 1016 AH, when he ordered that all gardens in Kabul be surrounded by walls, that a prayer platform be laid in front of Babur's grave, and an inscribed headstone placed at its head. During the visit of the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in 1638, 1047 AH, a marble screen was erected around tomb of his foster mother, Ruqaiya Sultan Begum, and a mosque built on the terrace below. There are accounts from the time of the visit to the site of Shah Jahan in 1638, 1047 AH, of a stone water channel that ran between an avenue of trees from the terrace below the mosque, with pools at certain intervals. Like us and join us at Extreme Collections for more fun and knowledge.